What's up, guys? So right now I am going to go do a beach photo shoot, and it is 4:30 and I'm waiting for my roommate to come down and get in the car, and we're gonna head out to PB. If you guys didn't know, I live in San Diego now, so I'm doing a photo shoot at the beach. The photographer is gonna be getting there a little bit after 5, so I'm gonna try to get there a little bit before, just so I can kind of like get ready and get prepared and stuff. So I thought I would just kind of bring you guys along, vlog it, show you guys like kind of behind the scenes of like my photo shoots and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up, and let's get into the video.
Could have been tragic, but we found the peace. Up to the mountains and under the sheets we go. Work hard and sleepless and wait for the dream. No time to regret what we haven't seen. Letdowns and freakouts and storm clouds and ice below. We made it out, made it out. Good life with a couple bad times, a million mistakes, but we made it out fine. This life, yeah, it always finds a way to lead us to these for coming this far, but things turned around when I turned on my heart. I'll thank the sun when it heals all my scars for good, for good. Thought it was impossible, but we always find a way of looking out over these heights that we never thought we'd say. We made it out, made it out. Good life with a couple bad times, a million mistakes, but we made it out fine. This life, yeah, it always finds a way to lead us to these lead us to these